Okay, we about to start for A. So A is a variable. Sometimes you can have variables A, you can have variables to be any alphabetical number, letter. So in this case, we're solving for A. Remember, we have to follow the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. Exponent in parentheses. Okay. So parentheses comes first. So we move from the left to the right. So we need to redistribute the parentheses. So let's go. 4 times 2, A, which is 8A. 4 times 3, which is 12. Negative 3 times A is negative 3A. Negative 3 times negative 1. Remember, with two negative signs, when we multiply each other, it becomes a plus. Plus 3 plus 31. Okay, now we have a constant and variable all over the place. We need to make sure we have them labeled and put them together. So first of all, we put a line between the two sides of the equation. We label our variables. We have a variable V, which is 8A, and we have another variable, which is 3A. And our constants is 12, 3, and 31. So first of all, we have to first work on putting the constants on each side together before we start moving them across. So let's first of all put the two constants on the right together. So 3 plus 31 is going to give us 34. And now we have negative 3A. Remember, that's a plus. If it doesn't have a sign, it's a positive sign. And we have the 8A and plus 12. And let me label the variables green and the constants right. Okay, remember, all the constants need to be on one side and the variables need to be on one side. So these are constants in C and the variables in V. So this means we need to move negative 3A and combine it with 8A while we're moving 12 and combine it with 34 so we can have the variables and the constants on separate sides. Remember, when we move a number across the equal sign, the sign flips. So 3A, negative 3A becomes positive 3A. And when we move positive 12 to the right, it becomes a negative 12. So now we're going to combine these two. 8 plus 3 is 11A. 12 is gone. We don't have it anymore. And now we combine these two. We're subtracting 12 from 34. That is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 2. It looks like we are good. We have a constant and we have a variable on each side. So step 2, we need to divide by the coefficients. Our coefficient is 11. So we have to divide both sides by the coefficient of A. So we divide 11A by 11 and 22 by 11. So 11 divided by 11 is going to give us 1A. And 22 divided by 11 is going to give us 2. And remember, 1A is the same as A. So we know A equals 2. And if we check, we can check and substitute 2 and see if the left side will be equal to the right side. So let's see. Let's check the left side. The left side is this. 4, 2. If A is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, right? And 4 plus 3 is 7. So 7 times 4 is 28. So the left side is 28. So let's check the right side. The right side is -3 parenthesis. If A is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 31. So 3 times 1, -3 times 1 is -3 plus 31. 31 minus 3 is 28. So the right side is equal to the left side. So our answer is right. Come back for more, share, and make sure you like.